Good morning, students. How are you doing? Well, today we are going to do a quick review about chemical changes. Do you remember which are them? We have combustion, fermentation, and oxidation. Okay, but first of all, what is a chemical change? So, a chemical change occurs in a chemical reaction and produces a new substance. A chemical change is always irreversible. Okay, let's talk about the first chemical change, combustion. Combustion or burning is the name of a chemical reaction in which oxygen combines with a fuel. It is an exothermic reaction because thermal energy is produced. So remember, it's exothermic. And in any combustion, we need fuel, we need heat, and we need oxygen. Okay, so how do we use this combustion? Well, we use it in various ways, for a lot of things. For example, petrol and diesel are burned to power vehicles engines. Also, some power stations use it to generate electricity. And we can burn natural gas to cook and eat in our homes. But there are some problems with combustion, because combustion produces some substances that cause many problems, such as the global warming, such as particles that pollute the air, toxic gases, and also acid rain. So these are problems of combustions. These are the uses. And these are the elements that we need in order to combustion to take place. Okay, let's talk now about oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical reaction in which an atom loses one or more electrons and another atom gains one or more electrons. It causes changes to the properties and appearance of substances. The substance that loses the electron is called reducing agent. And the substance that gains electrons is called the oxidizing agent. And we have two different types of oxidation. On one hand, we have rusting. And we can see it that it causes the color of the iron to change into an orange or red color. And also we have browning in fruit. We can see it in apples, in bananas, in vegetables also. Okay, and which is the third chemical change. It is called fermentation. Fermentation involves a chemical change. Yeast, bacteria, and other microorganisms can be used for fermentation. Yeast can be used as an enzyme. When it consumes sugar, this becomes into alcohol and also carbon dioxide. We can make food using fermentation. For example, milk. With the milk, fresh milk contains bacteria and lactose. When the bacteria consume the lactose, they turn them into lactic acid. And if we add more bacteria to this fermented milk, it coagulates and forms cheese. So thanks to fermentation, we can have cheese, milk. We can also bake cakes. Okay, so these are the review about chemical changes. If you have any doubt, please add a comment and we will explain it to you. Bye bye guys, keep studying.